Do you want to know one of the most in-demand services you could provide to literally any business owner on the planet who is smart enough to outsource? Email management. That's right. For the average person, email takes up about half of the workday, which really is even more ridiculous when you consider the additional time it'll take to refocus on the income producing activity that person should be doing with their time. So if you want to become an invaluable virtual assistant, check out this video for my best tips for turning email management into a lucrative skill set that you can provide to any busy business owner. Zero experience required. Welcome back. I'm Lauren Golden here with a new episode of Free Mama TV, showing moms like you how to start and run a successful freelancing business from home. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new episode of Free Mama TV right here every Tuesday. After years of helping clients achieve inbox zero, type A's rejoice! I've put together my 5 best practices for email management as a virtual assistant. And make sure you stick around until the end because email management is just one crazy desirable skill that you could be offering in your business. Best practice number 1, get onboarded the right way. Asking the right questions can help you both get off on the right foot. What software do they use? Will you be utilizing their inbox or will you be setting up a separate support email for you? What are their goals for their emails? Yep, your inbox should have goals. Do they want to receive fewer emails overall? Get back to people faster, better organization and accessibility, or offload the task completely? If you don't know what your client hopes to gain by outsourcing email management, you won't be able to exceed their expectations. As part of the onboarding process, don't forget to send an introductory email to your client's customers so that they know who you are and who to contact if this is applicable for you. Best practice tip number 2, get organized. Whether you're using their inbox or your own, sorting and filtering with folders and subfolders should be your first order of business. Think about each email as though it were a piece of paper on your desk. If you had a stack of miscellaneous papers, you'd need to go through them one at a time to figure out what they're about until you start to notice some themes. Each theme needs to be a folder, but oftentimes that's not enough, so we use subfolders. For example, maybe your client has a lot of financial transactions in their email. Some are software expenses, others are related to payroll or taxes or invoicing clients. Each of these could be a separate subfolder under the folder Finance. Personally, I like to file everything client or work related because documentation and record keeping is super important. Those email marketing campaigns you're receiving, they're either valuable enough that 1, you're going to buy from them, or 2, you get really good ideas from them and would like to create an ideas folder, or they're distracting and it's time to unsubscribe. What are your best tips for keeping your inbox organized? Let me know in the comments below. Best practice number 3, create templates. Now that the inbox is unclogged, you need to be prepared to keep it that way. If you're replying to emails on behalf of your client, you may be wondering how the heck you're supposed to know what to say. I suggest either setting up a time to go over some frequently asked questions and create templates together, but let's say your client is too busy for even that. You could go through their sent emails to look for themes as well. The more you understand what your client does and the type of people they work with, the more you'll begin to feel confident answering on their behalf. Here's a pro tip. Templates don't just help you know how to handle these FAQs, they also help you protect your own time too. Remember, half a person's day or more is spent in their inbox. Crazy. By drafting templates and saving them in Google Drive, you not only begin to equip yourself with the answers you need from your client, but you'll also save time from having to write out the same reply over and over and over again. Make sure you revisit the templates often, and as new things come up, you hold on to those responses as well. Best practice number 4, batch, streamline, automate whenever possible. Just because you're being paid to manage someone else's emails doesn't mean you have to become a slave to the inbox. Remember to manage your own time effectively by batching your emails, possibly twice daily or more depending on the volume and your client's expectations. The more you can streamline your own workflow, the more you'll be able to achieve overall. Depending on what platform hosts your clients' emails, you can even set up alerts, rules, and filters to automatically send certain emails into certain folders. Here's another pro tip. What can you automate? My team and I get in a lot of similar questions regarding my courses and free online resources. So we included them in our email signatures to take the guesswork out of it. On weekends in particular, we throw up an out of office reply, and oftentimes our clients are able to automatically find what they're looking for simply by clicking on the links in our signature. Best practice number 5, treat your inbox like a to-do list. If you followed these steps effectively, then inbox zero is completely attainable. Your folders and subfolders should be well stocked and easily searchable. This allows you to treat your inbox just like a to-do list. The only emails that should not be filed are the ones that require immediate action. Make sure you respond quickly to requests for meetings, set them up, then file the email. If you need support with answering an inquiry, make a plan with your client on the best way to reach them to address those. And for all of my Gmail users out there, remember that you can even snooze emails so that they reappear back in your inbox on another day. And now you know my 5 best practices for email management as a virtual assistant. The great thing about providing this service is that almost anyone can do it, and the time you give back to a business owner is insane. Are you looking to grow your skills as a virtual assistant? You need my 70 skills checklist where you can explore a wide variety of services you could be getting paid for right now. Check out the link below to download this checklist completely free. Also, if you want to join a community of mamas just like you, I have a Facebook group where thousands of mamas come together for support and action-taking tips and motivation. And as always, if you liked this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe, and share it with your fellow mamas. And comment below with hashtag I am a free mama if this video helped you manage your inbox. Welcome back. I'm Lauren Golden with, oh my God. I know my name. So if you want, think about each email. If you had a stack of miscellaneous, oh my gosh, I can't talk. I'm gonna start over. We're going with it. That sounds so horrible. Okay, I'm coming back. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, bye.